See, that's what I'm talking about. I'm doing a sound test. I'm doing a sound test on my cough, and you hear how the way my cough is echo-filing against the walls. Okay, and my downstairs neighbor just banged on me just now. See, I have a tickle up in my throat and I have to cough it up. I can't help it. And then I have to blow my nose. So that's what I do all the time. That's how the way I cough, and it's very loud and people can hear me. And that's what makes it sound like I'm screaming, but I am not. So I haven't been screaming or yelling in my apartment. I just been coughing. And the problem is, what I have is I'm born with CROUP. I have CROUP cough throat. So I am born with CROUP cough throat. I get the tightness up in my throat. I'm born with the swollen lung tissue up in my throat. My family doctor had told me that I'm born with CROUP. It's a loud barking cough because my airways, my windpipe, is narrowed up in my throat. And that's how the way I cough because it's an asthmatic cough and can't be helped. So from time to time my windpipe closes. My windpipe closes on me, but not all the way, otherwise I wouldn't be breathing. But just once in a while, I get an ear tickle in my throat, so I have to cough. Sometimes I'll cough up to a half an hour continuously, and that's what you call a coughing attack. I do live in an apartment building, and these floors do not have concrete cement in them. So I mean, people can pretty much hear everybody talking and coughing and all that, and that's okay. But that's just the way I am. That's how the way I cough. And I'm making a YouTube video on this right now, just so people don't think I'm actually talking to myself, because I'm not. I'm actually on YouTube right now. But that's just how the way I cough. It's loud, and the cough echo files against the walls. And I do apologize for the disturbance for coughing, but I can't help that because I'm born with bronchitis. So I'm actually being accused of yelling and screaming, but I don't do that. I don't scream. That's not me. But that's just how the way I cough. So we're going to end this video. Oh my God. I got an irritate. Oh my God, I got a tickle in my throat. Oh my God, I got a tickle in my throat. Hear how the way that cough backfires against the walls? Listen. Now I'm getting to the point now I need to clear my throat because I'm starting to cough up phlegm. And you see my windpipe up my throat. It's nailed. So that's an asthmatic cough. It's like a seal barking cough is what it is. You can look on the internet and type in CROUP, C-R-O-U-P. My family doctor had diagnosed me with CROUP cough. CROUP, yeah, so that's what I have. I have CROUP up my throat. Thanks for watching. That's what I'm talking about. And then these, I'm not going to say anymore. That's what I'm talking about. And I'm getting the blame for that. I'm screaming. So, so you see how loud and annoying that is? So with my anxiety, I get paranoid because I hate it when I cough like that because I don't want to disturb my neighbors. But I'm not doing it on purpose. I'm coughing because I got something irritating me in my throat. And apparently that's what I have. I'm born with CROUP. So there's other ways what I do is when I need to cough my head off and I have that anxiety in me because my cough is loud. So I turn this exhaust fan on. And then I'll start to cough again. Or if I turn it off, see if I cough in this room, my cough might not occupy as much. So if I'm coughing in the kitchen, I'm coughing in the kitchen. So you hear the cough echoing at the end, just listen carefully. So we are doing I'm doing a sound test on my coughing. Okay, so I am going to end the video with 3 more final coughs. And let's just listen again to see if the CROUP cough echophiles. You hear how the way that went? See, that's what I'm talking about. All right, let's go and cough out in the hall. Let's go out and cough out in the hall. Here we go. See if it's any louder. Listen. And if I have to cough in my bathroom, it's like anyhow, that's what I do up and down during the day and night. I get an ear tickle in my throat, and I have to cough when I need to. That's just how the way I cough, and it's really loud. It sounds like I'm screaming, or does it not? Basically, I'm born with bronchial asthma, and I'm on puffers for it. I get tightness up my throat up and down, but it's not so bad because I take my puffers and I drink a hot cup of coffee. Again, this sounds so funny. This sounds funny and hilarious, and silly. I should be forced to wear a muscle on my mouth so it prevents me from barking like crazy, because I am a human dog that barks like a dog, and therefore I am required by law to wear a muffler on my mouth to keep that barking annoying noise down. Anyhow, thanks for watching. I totally apologize for the disturbance of my cough. And today is, it's 6:00 p.m., Monday, March 3, 2025. Take care now. And again, I apologize for my loud cough. But that's how it is, and it sounds like I'm screaming, but I'm not. You take care. And lots of times lately, I don't get company or anything. So, yeah, I need the company once in a while too. You take care now. I apologize for the inconvenience about that cough, and it's really loud. So what I do sometimes is I just turn the exhaust fan on to help drain out the noises of my cough.